Want to go E85 for your GMC, Chevy, Tahoe, or Yukon? I got a kit just for you. What's going on, guys? Bob here from Bob the Engine Builder. If you guys want to go E85 on your Chevy trucks, GM trucks, Chevy Tahoes, Suburbans, whatever. Basically, if you have the 5.3, the 6.2 liter motor, I have the kit just for you. So in your kit that I've linked in the description below, you're going to get three things. You're going to get your E85 sensor, your harness, and the extender fuel line that you have to have. That's all you need, besides a tune, of course. You're going to need to get a tune. So don't you think just because you're putting this on, you can go and run it on the corn fed. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So today I'm going to be showing this off on my 2016 Chevy Silverado. 18, I believe. You're actually going to have a factory harness from factory. I've already installed this kit on mine. So this is your E85 kit. It's going to actually live right here, dummy plugged in right here. What I did was I took the extension wire that I have, plugged it in here. So up here on the top, there's going to be a fuel line. Your factory fuel line is going to run out here. Here's an example of the original fuel line. You're going to want to lift up on those tabs and then push in to pop it off. Be careful, though, as the line may be under pressure. Actually, right here on this one. And it's going to run into the sensor, and then that new line is going to connect the sensor to the supply. And then that fuel line. On the right is the supplied line from my kit, and on the left is the original line that came from the truck. So we're going to go over now, putting it together. Once you're confident you've got all that stuff together, it's time for the tune, baby. Thank you for watching, and come back next time for Bob the Engine Builder for more performance tips, tricks, and how-to videos.